Hello everyone. We're going to work on the null operator assignments. Question number one, select the departments that do not have department head assigned. After that, we're going to select the departments that have department head assigned. Then third question is, we're going to select the departments where the department name is null. And at the end, we are going to select the departments whose department names are not null. Let's try to solve these questions. This is our script for is null operator, and I just selected the department management database, and we have the tables there, departments, and we have department ID, department name, and head of the department. So we have these three columns here. Let's solve this. Question number one is, we are saying select now you need to select all the columns from your table name departments. Let me change this one from, and you are saying where head of department. Now it's saying do not have department head assigned, so this is null. Let's execute this query. Okay, these are the different departments and head of the department is null. That's what we have been asked to do. I hope it's clear. Now the next question is that we are going to select the departments that have head assigned. So just we're gonna write opposite query of this one using only one keyword, is null. Instead of that, you will write is not null. Now we will get the list of the departments and their head, assigned head. Let's click on this one. Okay, head of the department, department name, and department ID. Okay, looks good. Now we're going to select departments where department name is null. Let's see, department name is null where department is null. Department underscore name is null. Let's execute this query. Okay, we do not have any department whose name is null. Now let's write the opposite query and see. In question number 4, select all the departments whose name are not null. Okay, we're gonna copy this query as it is, and we are saying is not null, so we'll get the list of not null values for the department name. Select this one, execute the query, and we got the department name and they are not null. Okay, this is how we solve all the questions for this particular exercise, and that's all for this exercise. Thank you guys, take care.